Hello parents, welcome back. Today I'm sharing simple DIY brain booster activities for kids 3 to 6 years. As a parent, we know that consistent and simple practice is the best way to help our little ones develop their logic, fine motor skills and pattern recognition. If you enjoy these DIY activities, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a new activity. Let's get started. Color pattern matching activity. In this activity, the child looks at a small card with specific sequence of colored dots. They must arrange the colored popsicle sticks on the fish skeleton to match the exact pattern shown on the cards. This activity helps kids to learn how to identify, follow and replicate sequence. Also, they learn to analyze the colors and their order, which strengthens their ability to solve problems and critical thinking. Pre-writing and fine motor skill activity. In this activity, the little ones must follow the prompt cards to manipulate the strings attached to the smiling face on the board. They must shape the string to match the different path patterns shown on the card, such as loops, swirls or wavy lines. Visual matching and spatial orientation activity using matchsticks. Here, the child observes the line drawn on the page which are angled in different directions. The goal is to place a matchstick directly on top of each drawn line, matching its exact position and angle. This activity helps kids to understand different angles and orientations, which is vital for recognizing shapes and eventually forming letters. Children must carefully observe the line on the page to determine where each matchstick belongs, enhancing their attention and visual discrimination. In this activity, the child follows a trail marked by arrows on the page. They must pick up the small colored squares and place them in the correct order along the path to complete the sequence. Children learn to analyze directional cues to determine which way to move, which strengthens their problem-solving skills, and also following the path in the correct order helps them to understand the concept of step-by-step process. This activity can also be used to teach color matching, as children have to select the right colored square to match the sequence requirements of the path. Picking up small lightweight squares, placing them carefully on the marked spot helps them in developing eye-hand coordination and precision. That's all for today's learning activity. I hope these simple hands-on ideas helps your little ones build their skills while fun at home. Remember parents, consistent daily practice makes a big difference in the development. If you found these activities helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. See you in next video.